This 2026 Grand Design Reflection 362 TBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features a Collins interior, sleeps 8, awning, water heater, microwave, refrigerator, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Reflection 362 TBS is 12,760 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.